NewsProfixPro review, demo, and $550 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and today I'm reviewing NewsProfixPro. Now this is a brand new product that creates microsites that will make you anything from $300 to $500 a month without doing anything, because this is these are fully automated sites. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna go through a few different ways that you can make money with it. Then I'm going to show you the sales page, the inside of the members area. We're gonna do a little demo. Obviously I have $550 worth of bonuses. So let me share my screen with you and let me tell you all about NewsProfixPro. Okay, so first of all, I just wanted to check out the proof. As you can see, October earnings $314, November earnings $489, December earnings $310, January earnings $372, February $388. So anything from $300 to $500 per site. So, you know, if you can have a microsite that generates you that kind of income, how many would you create, right? So this is the proof. We're gonna go through the whole sales page in a second, but first of all, let me just show you how much people are charging for sites like this. Okay, so if you're gonna go to Flippa and if you're gonna find a site for sale that is making anything from $1,000 to $5,000 per year, people are charging, as you can see, $5,000, $4,800, $3,000, $700, $5,000, $2,000, $5,000. So you can make a few $1,000s just setting it up, waiting for a few months just to get the proof, and then selling it for, again, you know, anything from $2,000 to $5,000. And this is just one way you can actually make money with these sites. So first of all, you can obviously just let it run and make $300 to $500 per month, month after month. And again, this is fully automated, so you don't have to do any work. I'm going to do a little demo for you in a second. Second of all, you can sell these sites for thousands of dollars. Third of all, you can actually sell these websites. So you can set this up for someone and charge them money as well. So as you can see, just go to Fiverr and type in create a website. People are charging hundreds of dollars for just setting up a website for someone else. So this person says, I will create a beautiful website with WordPress, 145 euro, which is like $160. You know, people are charging anything from, for like a full website creation, I would say at least $100. So, you know, this is just another way you can make a quick $100 just charging people for a website setup. And if you're going to go to Upwork, people are actually charging per hour. So you got $38 per hour, $97 per hour, $50 per hour, $40 per hour, etc. So, you know, create a website like this, you can, you know, charge at least 5 to 10 hours for you know, setting up a website like this that is actually making money. Okay, so with that being said, let's check out the sales page. As you can see, the headline says, attention all marketers, your new automated income site is here. Brand new software creates fully automated self-updating sites that make money and earn commissions every single day from free traffic. You'll never have to update these sites manually ever again. This is the most important part right here. So you just set it up once and you forget about it. Set and forget, fully automated. Obviously, they have some testimonials right here. So again, $300 to $500 is what a site like this can make per month. And these guys have, you know, tons of proof since October. So Jason and Mosh, these are the two guys behind the course. And again, this is NewsProfixPro. That's the name of the product. And this is my NewsProfixPro review. So again, NewsProfixPro. Some more testimonials, including a testimonials from myself right here. I gave them testimonials because I really think this is an amazing product. Scrolling down, all you have to do is enter the site name, enter your keyword, push one button, and I'm going to do a little demo for you in a second. They're gonna have a little demo right here as well on the sales page, and I'm actually going to have the same demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, a part of just showing you how it works right now. So obviously this works with Amazon, JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Shopify, affiliate by Conversant, I've never used it, and pay.com. Some more proof for you, some more testimonials. Obviously these guys will have some bonuses, and you're gonna get my bonuses on top of these bonuses. So I'm actually giving away $550 worth of bonuses, and these guys will have a couple of price options. So one site license, 21 bucks. Pro license, which means unlimited sites, $22. So just for an extra dollar, you're getting unlimited sites. Okay, pretty exciting. Some more testimonials again, and that's essentially it. And once you're gonna pick it up, this is what you will see on the inside. But before I'm going to show you how it works, I'm also going to, I wanted to show you that these guys actually include video tutorials, okay, over the shoulder video training on, first of all, why new sites, how to make money, how to create new sites, how to get traffic and custom domains, then how to get news API, which means that news will be automatically added to your website. You just have to set this up once, and you know, news from any website that you really want can be added to your site automatically. You don't have to do anything. Then you can add your eBay credentials to it, which means that automatically eBay products with your affiliate link will be added to your site as well. And you can do the same with Amazon and with Walmart. So automatically you are monetizing your site. And again, this is on complete autopilot. So you got the, you know, how to create your Amazon keys, Walmart affiliate keys, and obviously you can use any other form of affiliate marketing, but this one just makes sense if you want to automate it and do this on complete autopilot. Okay, so right now I just wanted to show you the inside of the members area. So you know, you can contact support here first. You got the tutorials, all the posts. So as you can see, you know, these guys already have some posts created. You can access the media, the pages, the users, the tools. As you can see right here, we have Amazon Profit Generator, which will essentially hook up your Amazon account, eBay Profit Generator, which hooks up your eBay account. And then right here, we're gonna click, we got the Walmart Profit Generator as well. We're gonna click on NewsProfix right here, and we're gonna do top news to posts. And as you can see, you can pick the article source right here. So, you know, these guys added a bunch of different sources. You can pick one or two, or, you know, however many you want. So, you know, you have all these reputable sites. So let's go with whatever, Fox News. We're gonna schedule it for 24 hours, which means that 24 hours is a cycle. So in one cycle you can add as many posts as you want. So it can be 1 post, 5 posts, 10 posts, 24 posts, totally up to you. So let's stick with 10. Then we're gonna obviously publish it. We're gonna post it as a post, not as a page. And then you know, we have the post author, and then all we're gonna have to do is click right here on select an action and run this rule now. So this is what I'm going to do right now, and we're gonna wait for a little bit. Obviously I'm not going to show you a full demo right here, but this is how easy this is. So obviously you're gonna have to set it up. You know, it takes like a few minutes, but this is what it takes when it comes to adding content automatically. You don't have to do anything else apart of what I just showed you. And again, I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. So, you know, I just wanted to show you how easy this is right now in this review video. Okay, so this is all you have to do. Again, you're getting the tutorials, and let's go through all of the upsells as well. Okay, so as you can see, the first OTO will be $67. So again, the main price is either $21 or $22, as I already showed you right here. But keep in mind, this is the early bird price. So 21 bucks or 22 bucks for the pro version is the early bird. Obviously the price will be going up to $27, and it will be on a dime sale. So once you're going to pick it up, this is what you will see as an upsell. Upsell number 1, NewsProfixPro Unlimited Profits Edition, which will save you time, make you even more money, and it will allow you to build fully automated self-updating sites that make you money every single day. So this is essentially the pro version for $67. So unlimited profits. The second upsell, NewsProfixPro 100x Advanced Edition for $97. So if you want to make even more money than $300 to $500 per site, you can essentially 50x to 100x your the amount of money that you're making, and that upsell will cost you $97. So that's NewsProfixPro 100X Advanced Edition. Then we have NewsProfixPro Audio number 3, which is done for you, money size $297. So this is something completely done for you. Then we have the 4th audio, which is NewsProfixPro Super Traffic Machine, $77. So obviously the more traffic you have, the more traffic you can add to your sites and the more money you'll make. So that's $77. And we have the last audio, NewsProfixPro License Rights for $197, which means that you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits on both the main product and all of the upsells. So this is what you can expect after picking up NewsProfixPro. And just to finish off this NewsProfixPro review, I wanted to show you all of my bonuses. So again, these guys will give you some bonuses just for picking up, and I'm going to give you my bonuses on top of these. And these are all Dollars of the Day awarded courses and software and plugins. Okay, so that's a total worth of $550. So Riser, that's my Dollars of the Day course number 1, and Riser is all about selling stuff on Fiverr. So if you want to make money selling these sites on Fiverr, this is the course that you definitely want to get. 3 step profit machines, that's W's of the Day number 2. Number 3 is Quantum Profits. Then we have Piggyback Cash System. Fusion, that's W's of the Day number 5. Number 6, we got Newbie Traffic Formula. Obviously, the more traffic you get, the more money you're making. And then I'm giving you 12 best money making plugins and 9 pieces of software. So that's a total of 27 bonuses, and that's a total worth of $550 in value. So if you would like to buy all of it right now, you would have to spend $550, but you're getting all of it for free, just as a thank you for picking up NewsProfixPro today through my link. And guys, I already showed you, how much would you have to spend if you would like to buy this kind of site from someone else. You can easily flip these websites. You can easily sell these services on Fiverr, on Upwork, or anywhere else, or you can just cash in on $300 to $500 a pop for these websites, and that's per month, and that's without doing any work whatsoever. So again, I hope you see the power behind it. I hope you will pick it up today through my link to get all of the bonuses. And again, the first bonus will really make a huge difference because it's all about selling on Fiverr. And NewsProfixPro will be going live today on the 17th of June at 9 a.m. Eastern. Again, pick it up from my link to get all of the bonuses. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're watching on YouTube, please give it a like, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao!